In this video, I'll show you how to download and install apps on your iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. First thing you need to do before you can install any app, you need to be connected to either Wi-Fi or have cellular data as you need internet connection. Now, after you have that, one thing you want to go ahead and do is go into the App Store itself. And you might see a pop-up like this, close it out, and then you're going to see the menu in the App Store. Now, in order to download any apps, we need to make sure that we're signed into an Apple account by clicking on it up here. And you're going to want to either sign in, or if you didn't have a signed in account, just go ahead and create one or sign into an existing one. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account. So after I entered my email and password, I am signed into my account. So I click done here, and that's just to verify that you have your account signed in. And once you're signed in, you're ready to go ahead and download, install apps. Now there's a couple of different ways to find the app. You can go ahead and browse each of these categories of apps that are available for you to download, or you can click on the search option if you want to search an app. Let's say I want to search for maybe TikTok as an example. I go ahead and search it in the search bar, and it'll give you the options here of all the apps. In order to download app, you click on it and click on that get option, or it might be a cloud there, and you click on install, and it might ask you to enter your Apple ID password one more time to verify. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once I enter my Apple ID password, I click on sign in here. And if you have Face ID verification, sometimes it may ask you to verify your Face ID or double click on this side button. And then you can select if you want the downloads and then if you want automatic in-app content. So you hit OK. And as you can see, it's starting to now download and it'll install as well. And I can close out of the App Store and see there's the app downloading here. Sometimes if you don't see it on the home screen here, it might be in your app library and then you can find it from there and then drag it out or add it to your home screen by pressing and holding. There should be an option that says add to home screen. But as you can see here now, I have downloaded and installed TikTok app, and then you can go back again and download other apps as well. Same exact process. Go ahead, you just search or browse and then find the app, click on that get option, and it will go ahead and download the apps for you, just like that. So that's how you download and install apps on your iPhone 16 Pro. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.